Have you or one of your crew members ever accidentally damaged a piece of equipment on the job site? It's a frustrating and costly experience that no one wants to go through. But the truth is, equipment damage incidents are all too common in construction. In fact, a recent industry study found that equipment-related accidents and malfunctions cost construction firms an average of over $30,000 per incident. That's a major hit to your bottom line, and it's often completely preventable. Today, we're going to talk about some key strategies for preventing equipment damage on the job site. Following these simple steps can save you a ton of headaches and expenses down the road. First, it's important that all operators are properly trained on the safe and proper use of each piece of equipment. Before anyone is allowed to use a machine, make sure they've gone through comprehensive training both in the classroom and with hands-on demos. Evaluate their skills, quiz their knowledge, and only grant operating privileges once you're 100% confident in their abilities. Remember, even experienced workers can make costly mistakes if they aren't fully familiar with a particular piece of equipment. Next, always perform thorough pre-use inspections. Walk around the equipment, check all the controls, fluid levels, and safety features. Identify any issues or needed maintenance before you start the job. It takes a little extra time up front, but it can prevent major damage down the line. And speaking of maintenance, stick to the recommended service schedules for each machine. Don't put off oil changes, lubrication, or other routine upkeep. Equipment that's well maintained is much less likely to malfunction or break unexpectedly on the job site. Finally, encourage your crew to be vigilant about reporting any issues, malfunctions, or near misses they observe. Don't wait until something catastrophic happens. Address problems early before they spiral out of control. An open, no-blame safety culture is key. Preventing equipment damage isn't just about saving money. It's also a critical part of keeping your workers safe. Damaged or malfunctioning machines pose serious safety risks that could lead to injuries, lawsuits, and other major headaches. Following these best practices, you'll be well on your way to protecting your valuable equipment investments and maintaining a more productive, incident-free job site. It's an easy win-win that's well worth the effort.
Are you fed up with sifting through binders trying to find the right toolbox talk? SafeLeo can put an end to that headache once and for all. You'll never ever have to comb through binders again. Now you can easily upload your own or choose from our comprehensive library of preloaded text-based and video-based toolbox talks. No more last-minute scrambling to pull something together. Even better, you can bulk schedule those talks across all your projects, ensuring they happen consistently without someone having to remember. When it's time for the safety meeting, just pull up the day's talk on your phone or tablet and deliver it to your crew. Taking attendance is a breeze too. Workers can digitally sign in right on the device, or you can snap a photo of the physical sign-in sheet. Either way, SafeLeo keeps everything documented and stored in one organized system. Safety should be the top priority on any job site. Now you can streamline your toolbox talk so you can focus on the information, not scrambling to find it. Click the link below to request a quick demo.